Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Samsung Wallet on your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So let's start with the watch. Let's swipe down to open the applications menu. And let's scroll all the way down to find the pre-installed wallet application. Then tap on it, tap next. Then we're going to have to set a screen lock for our watch as a security measure. We're going to have to select the lock type. I'm going to select pattern and then draw a pattern once and then one more time to confirm. From now on, we have to continue the setup on our smartphone. So let's give the Samsung Wallet all the permissions. Tap get started. Continue. Then we're gonna have to enter the password to our account. So let me do this real quick. Then we're gonna have to set up the verification method. So I'm gonna be using fingerprint for easy access. Then we're gonna have to set up the PIN number. Okay, as you can see, we have to use more complicated one. Okay, and so now we're gonna have to add some cards, payment cards, to our Samsung Wallet. Okay, let's enter the pattern. Now to add your payment card, you have to tap add card, then select payment cards, and then you can use your camera to scan your card, or you can enter your data manually. If you want to scan your card, you have to position it within this rectangle and capture it from both sides. But if you want to add it manually, just select the respective option right here, enter your card number, the card holder name, tap next, and then enter the rest of the data like CVC or CVV code and expiration date, and the card will be added. Once you're finished, hold the back button of your watch for a couple of seconds, tap next, and then we'll be able to set up the wallet on our phone. Tap continue. Okay, then go to payment cards, select your added card here. As you can see, currently I don't have any available. And basically, after you add them, if you hold this back button on your watch for a couple of seconds, you will quickly open the Samsung Wallet. You'll be able to select your card on the list and then just lean your watch face against the terminal to make a payment with your watch. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.